reliability, attention to detail, quality. So the friendliness that we have here, the helping hand.
I see a lot of it with the people here, the pride that they take in doing a good job, where they are concerned that they're doing their job right. They want good training. They care about their work. Show up on time, do a good job.
Good work ethics. I like to stay busy. I like to make people happy, get the job done.
Pride, integrity.
We do great things to make sure that we're using our time wisely and doing the product right the first time, which increases our ESOP because we're wasting less.
It's great. I can't ask for a better company to work for.
I think knowing that you have a piece of this and are part of the success is a wonderful, wonderful thing. I think it's great.
Because we own it, because it's ours, I think more of how would I feel if this was going into my house, if I spent the money on this. Because I feel a little bit more of a direct reflection of me as a person and the product going out the door. This is my company too.